Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. In this video, we'll see the unboxing of Philips MG3724/30 all-in-one trimmer which has 60 minutes runtime. See here, this is the box what I have received. I ordered this on Flipkart and I'll tell you the price details and why did I purchase this Philips model. And this is 3000 series all-in-one trimmer. Yeah, it is mentioned, see here, Philips all-in-one trimmer 3000 series. So first of all, let us try to unbox this. Let us open this box, and at the end of the video, as this is all-in-one trimmer, you can remove the main head, the main trimmer head, and you can keep the nose hair cleaning extension. I'll be showing you how you can remove the main clip and add this extension of nose hair. I'll be showing you in the end of the video, so please watch till the end. So when I open the box, and this is the main trimmer, I guess. Yes, this is the trimmer. One trimmer is in the box, and let us check what else are in the box. And the packaging is pretty good, and I'll keep this aside. And what are the accessories? And it has mentioned on the Flipkart like there are 1 mm to 7 mm styling settings, that may be for hairs or beard or something like that. See here, these are the extensions, so you can mount this on the top of the trimmer. There are 4 here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 extensions, and this is the cleaning brush, it is provided, and the adapter, and this is the warranty, 2 years warranty card. Okay, the main trimmer, and that is the nose extension, and this is the user manual come warranty, I guess. Yes, I'll be keeping this aside for a moment. And this is the main trimmer. The build quality is pretty good, pretty premium, and model 4.3 volt, made in use only Philips. Okay, yeah. So we need to charge with the only adapter provided, and this is the button. We need to just toggle up to switch it on. Anyway, I'll be going to switch it on. Let us check the online details of this trimmer. See here, Philips MG. As of now, while I am recording this video, it has been showing like 1349, and I purchased something like 1260 rupees, I guess. When I purchased this, I got this for 1260, maybe slightly increased. Yeah, and effortless trimming, shelf charging, and you can use it for all-in-one trimmer purpose. As I said, this trimmer is for multi-purpose. Okay, not only just for beard trimming, but you can see beard combs for versatile styling, 1 to 7 mm. Yeah, yes, the nose clip extension is also provided. As I said, I'll be showing you how you can insert that. Let us check this. And this blade is ceramic of type, and is the model what are in the box, and all the items are I received all the items. Let us get back to the video, and see here, I just turned on the trimmer, and you can see the power. You can see the power. My first experience is it has good power to trim. Yeah, as I said, I'll be just taking this out is pretty easy. With the one hand only, I just removed the main clip. Now I'll try to attach this nose hair cleaning clip. Yeah, you can just easily insert it, and you can easily remove it. Just insert like that. Yeah, this is how I'll be turning this one also. Yeah, very good. So please do comment which trimmer are you currently using, and if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. I'll try to attach in the view products list. If you want to check the details, you can click on this view products and check the details furthermore. And this is the adapter they provided with the 2-pin sort of adapter, this one. So yeah, this is the 2-pin. So in the details they mention that it is better to charge with this adapter only. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, these are the extensions. Okay, if you do have any other questions, and one more thing, I already unboxed Beardo 3-in-1 trimmer. I'll be placing that in the description. If anyone wants to check that review also, you can check the review of that trimmer. Please do ask your questions.